Evaluate the following assertions regarding Microsoft Power BI dashboards. Determine if each statement is accurate by selecting yes or no. Option A, yes. Option B, no. First assertion. A Microsoft Power BI dashboard is associated with a single workspace. Second assertion. A Microsoft Power BI dashboard can only display visualizations from a single dataset. Third assertion. A Microsoft Power BI dashboard can display visualizations from a Microsoft Excel workbook. Let us consider the concepts behind Power BI dashboards, workspaces, and data integration to understand how these components interact without giving away the correct matches.
In my view, the correct answers are yes for the first statement, no for the second statement, and yes for the third statement. A Power BI dashboard is a single-page interface that lives within a specific workspace, making the first statement true. Dashboards are designed to provide a consolidated view, meaning they can aggregate visualizations from multiple reports and different underlying datasets, making the second statement false. Additionally, users can integrate data from Excel workbooks into their dashboards by pinning objects from uploaded Excel files, making the third statement true.